Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Canada's Wonderland in Vaughan, Ontario, Canada. Canada's Wonderland has been the premier destination in Ontario for thrills, family fun and world-class entertainment. I would like to suggest few tips before I start this video. Arrive early, at least an hour before it opens, so that you can park your car, walk to the entrance and get through the security checkpoint. Another reason why is because the front gate area can get very crowded in the morning when the park opens. Outside food and beverages are not allowed in the park except water bottles and baby food. Upon arrival at the park, we have to get the parking receipt which costs $35 plus applicable taxes per vehicle. This park opens at 10 am. We reached at 9. Done with parking, now we are heading towards the main entrance. Phones are not allowed on any attraction for your safety purpose. Tickets will be scanned at this front gate. Ensure your tickets are downloaded and accessible on your phone. If you are taking small children, then it's always good to get them measured and fitted with a height wristband, which helps streamline the process at each ride and avoids repeated measurement. Finally, we are done with all the procedures. This gate opens at 10. We have still 5 more minutes. Leviathan is the tallest and fastest roller coaster in Canada.
Leviathan is one of the best ride in Canada's Wonderland. This is a one-time experience that everyone should have. But I wouldn't prefer for kids, but for the elders, for the adults, it is amazing game. Thank you.
Hey guys, we had an amazing experience. It was wonderful experience, once in a lifetime. Amazing. We had 3 drops. All of them were thrilling.
Riptide. It's a thrill ride that spins riders in 360-degree loops. Dragonfire is a high-speed steel looping roller coaster which turns riders upside down 4 times.
You never know.
It was an awesome experience. My son is my inspiration. I had a great time. One check in my life. Thank you.
It was good for only 30 seconds. So it's really nice. Everyone should try it.
Spinnovator is a spinning teacups ride.
It is for somebody who really likes thrill. I'm not the one, okay? And somebody who is too prone to motion sickness, not for them. Otherwise, it's fun, okay? Yeah.
Viking's Rage is a swinging ship ride. It's a pirate ship built by German manufacturer Arrow Huss.
Yeah, it was good, scary, and lots of thrill.
Drop Tower is a thrill ride where you can experience a free fall from a height of 230 feet. Bat Ride. In this ride, you will experience a backward ride through the elements, which is a key part of this ride. Shockwave. It features a rotating ring of pods that spin riders in various directions, including upside down. Nightmare. It's a round-up thrill ride which spins from horizontal to vertical at a high speed. Yukon Striker. It's the tallest, fastest and longest dive coaster in the world. Yukon Striker broke 3 world records on tallest 245 feet, fastest 130 km per hour and longest 3625 feet dive coaster. Locker rentals are available next to the Splashworks main gate to store your personal belongings throughout the day. Lockers are available in two sizes, standard and large. We took standard size locker where we can store one backpack and one small bag. Riptide Racer is an 8-lane mat racer water slide. Lazy River is a slow-moving inner tube ride designed for relaxation.